In a beautiful green forest where the sun shone softly, lived two little birds named Milo and Tico. They shared the same tree, yet they were very different. One morning, Milo chirped cheerfully, inviting Tico to build a nest together. Tico, feeling lazy, stretched his wings and replied that he could build his own nest faster and better. Milo gently told him that working together would make it stronger. But Tico, confident and proud, insisted he didn't need anyone's help. Milo quietly began collecting twigs, leaves, and soft grass. Carefully, he placed each piece, making his nest strong and safe. Tico, however, hurried, gathering a few sticks and finishing his nest in no time. Proudly, he admired his work, convinced it was perfect. Milo smiled softly and wondered if Tico's nest could withstand the strong winds that often swept through the forest. Tico laughed, confident that nothing could go wrong. As the day passed, the sky slowly changed. Dark clouds gathered and the wind whispered ominously through the trees. An old wise bird flew by, advising all the forest creatures to make their nests strong. Suddenly, the storm arrived with full force. Milo held tight, realizing the storm was stronger than he had expected. Tico's nest, made of weak twigs, began to break apart. Tico struggled desperately, calling out for help. Wind pushed him hard, making it almost impossible to stay in the air. Milo, holding on to his own strong nest, called out. Finally, Tico reached Milo's nest, grasping onto it tightly. Together, the two birds used their wings to balance the nest, protecting it from the storm. Slowly, the rain lessened. Many nests had been destroyed. Tico looked around and then down at his broken nest. He felt a deep sense of shame. In that moment, he realized that he had been wrong to think he didn't need anyone. From that day on, Milo and Tico worked together. They built a bigger, stronger nest, not just for themselves, but also to help other birds rebuild their homes. And so, the two little birds taught the forest a lesson that would be remembered forever. Unity is strength. Comment down and subscribe to my channel for more content.